In this video, we will solve a problem of clipper circuit. Draw the output of the circuit shown in figure A for the input shown in figure B. This is a circuit of a clipper circuit in which two reference voltage 5 volt and 10 volt are used. Two diodes D1 and D2 also used. Input signal Vi is shown here. This is a triangular waveform. Voltage from minus 15 volt to plus 15 volt. We have to draw the output waveform due to this input signal. In this clipper circuit, we have used two reference voltage. One is 5 volt and second is 10 volt, but opposite polarity. For each half cycle, we have to analyze input signal. First, for input signal is less than 5 volt, then input signal is between 5 to 10 volt, and then input signal is greater than 10 volt. So first we take the positive half cycle of the input signal, this part of the input signal. In positive half cycle, the input signal increased from 0 to plus 15 volt, then decrease again from plus 15 volt to 0. Suppose that in positive half cycle, terminal A is positive with respect to terminal B, and our input signal is less than 5 volt. When input signal is less than 5 volt and point A is positive, in this case P region of diode D1 will be at lower voltage than N region, because here N region is at positive 5 volt and our input signal is less than 5 volt. So P region will be less than positive 5 volt. In this way, the diode D1 will be in reverse biased condition, because P region will be at the lower voltage than N region. Now consider diode D2. Here P region is connected negative and N region is connected with the input voltage, which is at this time positive but less than 5 volt. In this case also, N region of diode D2 is at positive voltage and P region is at negative voltage. So diode D2 will also be reverse biased condition. It means when input signal is less than 5 volt, means input signal from 0 to 5 volt, this part 0 to 5 volt. When input signal is less than 5 volt, both the diode D1 and D2 are in reverse biased condition, so they can be replaced by open circuit. When these two diodes will be open circuit, in that case the input Vi will be connected to output through the resistance R, but circuit will not complete due to the open circuit of D1 and D2. So no current will flow through resistance R, voltage across resistance R will be 0. It means output will follow the input signal for input signal less than 5 volt in positive half cycle. So here in the output waveform, see here the input and output is same. This is the output waveform and it is same as input waveform till the input waveform is less than 5 volt till here. Now when input waveform is greater than 5 volt but in positive half cycle, here N region is at plus 5 volt, and when input is greater than 5 volt means P region of D1 will be at higher voltage than N region in this case. So diode D1 will be in forward biased condition. Diode D1 in this case can be replaced by short circuit. So at the output we will get fixed 5 voltage, fixed 5 volt for input is greater than 5 volt. When input is shown here dotted line, when input is greater than 5 volt we will get a fixed 5 volt at the output. Now the output will not increase beyond 5 volt because this battery will appear in parallel with the output. So the positive portion of the input signal above 5 volt will be clipped off. Means when input signal will be less than 5 volt, only we will get the output and it will be same as the input. So in positive half cycle we will get this type of waveform. Now consider negative half cycle of the input voltage. This is the negative half cycle. In negative half cycle, point A is negative with respect to point B. Consider diode D1. Here N region is connected to plus 5 volt here, and P region is connected to point A through resistance R, and point A is negative in the negative half cycle. It means P region is negative and N region is at positive potential. For every value of negative half cycle, diode D1 will be reverse biased condition, because for every value of negative voltage, negative half cycle, P region will be at negative voltage level and N region will be at positive voltage level. P region will be at lower voltage than N region. Diode will be a reverse biased condition. It can be replaced by open circuit. Now consider diode D2. In this case, N region of D2 is connected to point A through resistance R, and P region is at minus 10 volt. So when input signal is less than minus 10 volt in negative direction, for example, suppose that terminal A is at minus 8 volt. Here it means N region is at minus 8 volt and P region is at minus 10 volt. It means P region is at lower voltage than N region. So when input signal in negative direction is less than minus 10 volt, in this case N region will be at higher voltage level than P region and diode D2 will be reverse biased. So in negative half cycle, when input signal is less than minus 10 volt, both the diodes D1 and D2 will be in reverse biased condition. They can be replaced by open circuit. In this case, input voltage Vi will appear at the output because no current will flow through the resistance R due to open circuit at the output. Here circuit is open, so output will follow input because current through resistance R will be 0, no voltage drop will exist across the R. So here in negative half cycle, when input signal is less negative than minus 10 volt, when input signal is less than minus 10 volt in negative direction, the output will be same as the input. See the waveform here. In negative half cycle, output is same as the input shown by this solid line. Now when input signal, this is the negative direction, negative half cycle of the input signal, when input signal is more negative than minus 10 volt, means when input signal exceeds minus 10 volt in negative direction, then see here P region is at minus 10 volt N region is more negative than minus 10 volt. Suppose minus 11 volt, minus 12 volt. In this case, N region will be at lower voltage than P region. Diode will be forward biased condition, and when diode will be forward biased condition, then this voltage source will appear at the output in parallel. So when voltage, input voltage is exceeds minus 10 volt in negative direction, we will get a constant output which will be equal to minus 10 volt. So in negative half cycle, input signal above minus 10 volt will be clipped up. Now again, when input signal becomes less negative than minus 10 volt in this point here, then again both the diodes will be reverse biased condition, they will be replaced by open circuit. Then again output will follow the input. Here again output is following the input signal. In this way, this circuit can remove the input signal in positive half cycle which is greater than 5 volt, and negative half cycle which is more negative than minus 10 volt. So this circuit provides the waveform shown in this figure for the input shown here in this figure.